The next innovation for Thermomix is the cookie. I love cookie because it's innovative and it allows me to cook smarter, simpler and sooner. The cookie really simplifies the way you cook and it's really easy to set up. The firmware updates your entire machine and allows you to have access to Wi-Fi. What it also updates is the sounds, which you can simply turn off in the settings of your Thermomix. Cookiedoo.com.au is your digital library which gives you access to thousands of recipes. This is the place for your endless inspiration, whether you're looking for those quick and easy midweek meals or something special on the weekend. I actually love chili mussels, it's one of my all-time favourites, but funny enough my husband hates it. I do tend to cook it anyway. The kids love it and he just misses out and dips his bread in the sauce. Today I have some of my friends coming over for high tea, so I can search through the recipes and pick out my favourites for the high tea and sync them to my cookie. The weekly meal planner makes it so easy to plan all my family meals for the week. From there, it's just one click to create my own shopping list, which I can then email to myself. Whenever you want to make a change to the recipes on your cookie, first head to cookiedoo.com.au and then resync. My Thermomix and cookie make it so easy to whip up delicious dishes for my family and friends.